Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the right Envato license. Regular covers standard YouTube use, extended covers broader commercial distribution. Go ahead, purchase and download the track. Keep the invoice and license code. Once done, save the original audio file and any stems, because timestamps or edits may need the source later. Make sure to note whether you plan to monetize, use music in multiple videos, or include in client projects. This choice dictates if you need an extended license versus regular. Next, prepare the music for YouTube. Import the track into your editor and align edits to your cut. Trim intros, add fades, and match tempo or beat hits to key visual moments. This improves pacing and viewer retention. Once aligned, normalize to a safe ceiling like -6 dB and duck under dialogue using sidechain or manual automation so speech stays clear. Then export with correct specs, 48K HZ for video, lossless WAV if you plan final mastering, otherwise high bitrate AAC. Finally, upload to YouTube and add clear attribution in the description, track title, artist name, Envato license code, and purchase date. This speeds dispute resolution. If Content ID flags your video, use YouTube's dispute flow immediately and attach the invoice plus license code. Explain you purchased a valid license and why the claim is incorrect. If claim persists, escalate to Envato support with transaction details. Keep a license folder so you can re-verify use or upgrade to an extended license.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.